टेक आउट पेज नंबर 114. ठीक है. Look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board, everyone. Page number 115. Page number 115. Position, page number 115. 1.
आधा कर ले भाई.
थोड़ा मुझे तो डर मैं अपने आप ले लूंगा जो मुझे
Are you doing? Show me your book. Show me your book. Show me your book. A screen is visible or not? A screen सभी का विजुअल है? स्क्रीन आप लोग देख पा रहे हो? स्नेहा, check your net. Check your net. Okay, note down. These are the preposition to complete the box. This one, this is the figure. Very good, Nandini. I can see your book. Note down. Very good, Abhinav. Have you done this page? Have you done this page? Have you done this page? Good. Good, everyone. Complete first of all. Now come to next page. Come to next page. Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? Good. Come to next page. Come to page number 160. Page number 160. Okay. So in this page, we have to complete the fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Okay. So let us start. First is about, second from, third they are going to work early today. Fifth, I am waiting for the postman. Fifth, the crow is peeping into the jar. Sixth, I was angry with my brother for spoiling my project. 7. The progress of country depends on my hands are too big to go in the gloves. A small child depends on his mother for food. Then he is worried about the club study. 11. You were absent from 12. There was tough competition between oh, sorry. 13 between or 14 under 15 behind. So these are the preposition to complete the page number 116. Okay. Are you doing better? Everyone, after completion of this very page, show me your book, okay? Very good, Abhinav. Sneha, Utkarsh, on your camera and show me your book, please. Very good. Mohit, good. Vedika, Aditya, Mayank, very good. Beta, very good. Aditi Kumari, show me your book. Are you doing or not? Aditi. Very good, Aditi. Complete the page. Then after I will teach you preposition. Okay, first of all means we are doing do it yourself. After completion of the worksheet, then after I will teach you the preposition. Okay. Have you done? Can I proceed to next page? Can I proceed to next page? Have you done? Hmm? Okay, very good. Okay. Come to next page, page number 170. Page number 170. Page number 170. So in this worksheet, we have to take correct preposition. Okay. There is a passage about Harry Potter and we have to choose correct preposition given option from the given option. Okay. So I am reading the passage and you have to correct one. Okay. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is an interesting story. Think about an 11-year-old boy. Harry, who has come for a study with witchcraft by the famous Hogwarts school. His enemy, Lord Voldemort, keeps at finding ways and means to finish him. Harry saves the school and the world from the evil by saving the Philosopher's Stone. Besides the gripping adventure, Harry also learns a number of magical tricks. He wins a flying broom competition. So we have completed all the worksheet of preposition. Have you done, beta? After completion, show your book. Show your book, beta. Page number 117. Very good, Abhinav. Nandini. Next. Mohit, Mayank. Very good, beta. Aditi, very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Nimesh, very good. Now listen. Like this, we have completed all the worksheet of preposition. From tomorrow, I will teach you grammar. Okay. First chapter is noun. Okay. From tomorrow, I will teach you grammar. First chapter is noun. So you have to learn something. Do you have any grammar book at your home? Do you have any grammar book? Are you getting my voice? Okay, Aditi, you have, Abhinav. So learn chapter noun. I will teach you noun tomorrow. Okay, I will teach grammar from tomorrow. Now you have your homework is complete page number 190. There is passage, and read the passage carefully and complete the page number 190 is English practice book. Any doubt, any problem? Any doubt, any problem? First of all, read page number 118 and find out correct answer from the page number 18 and complete the page number 190. Then after I will teach you. Well, first of all, try. No, ma'am. What do you want to say, Abhinav? Write your problem in the chat box. Any grammar book, Utkarsh, any grammar book. I will teach you, but keep one grammar book with you. Okay? Okay, clear. Very good. Can I erase the board? Page number 120. Take out page number 120. Take out page number 120. Show me your book. What happened, Utkarsh? Okay. Now come to the reading section. Come to page number 120. Julius Verne. This is a story about Julius Verne was a Frenchman who was born in 1828. Are you getting my voice? Very good. Are you getting my voice? Okay. Julius Verne was a Frenchman who was born in 1828. He was not an inventor and he was not a scientist, but he read a great many books on science. So this is the passage about Julius Verne. He was a Frenchman and he was born in 1828. He was not an inventor, not a scientist, but he read very much adventurous book in his life. He had a very strong imagination. His imagination power is very much strong about the adventure, and he loved adventure, although he did not have many great adventures himself. He wrote a number of exciting books about the things which he thought that scientist and inventor would one day be able to do. So he had written very much many books about adventures, and he thought that maybe some scientist, some adventurous person will read this book and get advantage of this very book. So he had written many books on adventurous. At that time, his stories seemed like very fairy tales. So his stories was spread like a fairy tales. Many of Julius Verne attempts to look into future, however, were surprisingly accurate. His imagination was very strong, and fortunately, his imagination look into the future. Future means accurate future. One of his books was called From Earth to Moon. His book name, first book of Julius Caesar is um, From Earth to Moon. In this, three men and a dog made a journey around the moon. They did this in a hollow ship fired from a gun. After going round the moon, they returned to Earth and splashed down into the sea and far from where the first real moon travelers landed in July 1969. So he had written his book From Earth to Moon, in which he has written a story about a man and a three dogs, and like this this story happened in real also in 1969. Julius Verne's most famous book is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Julius Verne died in 1905 when he was 77. So he has given many adventurous books to the country. Many years later, explorers really did go to the moon, and one part of the moon was given Julius Verne's name. So one part of the moon was given the name on Julius Verne. Okay, any doubt? So in this way we can complete the there are so many objective type questions. Come to page number 120. Julius Verne wrote a number of books on write your answer in the chat box. Yes, very good. Science. Julius Verne wrote a number of books on science. Second, three men and a dog made a journey around the moon in the book. Which book? There are three options: 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, From Earth to Moon, Around the World in 80 Days. Yes, very good. From Earth to Moon. True, false? True, false? Julius Verne was scientist. True or false? False. Very good. Second, Julius Verne had a very strong imagination. True or false? Yes, very good. True. Come to question number third. The ship splashed down into the sea not far from where the first moon traveler landed. True or false? No, true, true. Look at the board. First is false, second is true, and third is also false. Very good. Now come to next question. 8 to 3. Answer the following question. I am writing the answer on the board. Okay. Any doubt?